I want to clip you and J-Lo.
Me?
Yes.
I've never gotten clipped.
Oh, really? You really have never gotten clipped.
No way.
Okay.
No, they hit me like It's so annoying. It's not a winning game.
Oh, I could have just hit on you. Oh my. I just missed a triple. And I just clipped you. Oh, I just did a triple clap. That was the most random triple clap ever.
It was a little scratched off. But that was for one of them.
Oh, did you just see that clip I just hit?
They fixed the multiplayer.
Oh, they found it.
I still don't trust it.
Oh, it's not hacked anymore.
I don't trust it.
No, you didn't. You said he's hard scoping the door. That's two different meanings.
And I just hit a clip.
Oh my gosh. Why does your teammate have that on the ground? Oh my.
I saw someone in the window. He's in. Your teammate's in the freaking window. That's who I was trying to kill.
Dang it. No!